National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for eastern Stearns County, northwestern Sherburne County, southwestern Benton County until 5:15 a.m. At 4:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over St. Cloud and is nearly stationary. Hazard: tornado and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include St. Cloud, Sartle, Sauk Rapids, and Wade Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.